Hi everybody! I'm going to teach you how to use the Lockdown browser in Schoology. Some teachers enable the Lockdown browser for tests, quizzes, and assessments. Essentially, the Lockdown browser is a special browser that you download onto your computer or your iPad. It prevents you from accessing applications and external websites while you're taking your test. I'm going to show you how to access your Lockdown browser. If I click on this assessment, it will bring me to this screen. At the top here, it says that the activity requires the Lockdown browser, and it asks me to install the Lockdown browser if I have not. I've never installed the Lockdown browser on this computer, so I'm going to click on it. It will tell me to install the browser, and it will automatically download. I'm going to open up the zip file that it creates and install it completely. Go through the same process that you would use to install any extra application on your computer. If you are using an iPad, a PC, or a Chromebook, the installation process may look a little different for you. Now let's go back to that assignment. I'm going to click Start New Attempt, enter a password if the teacher enabled one, click Start, and when my computer prompts me to open the Lockdown browser, I will do so. If you get a pop-up that says some blacklisted applications are running, you will have to close those applications in order to take your assessment. Now I'm in the Lockdown browser and I can start my assessment. If I want to quit at any time, I will get a pop-up that asks me to either return to the exam or close the browser. If I close the browser, I will be asked why I am closing the browser before I've completed the exam. I need to save a reason and close the browser. Otherwise, I'll just return to the exam. When I'm finished, I'll click Review, Finish. The browser will close as soon as I've submitted. I will click Yes, and the browser will close. If I go back to the browser where I originally opened the assessment, in this case, I am using the Chrome browser, as we suggest for almost anything school-related. I'll click Refresh if I don't see the attempt. When I do click Refresh, it will show me that I've submitted the assessment. Typically, tests, quizzes, and assessments take a little while to grade, so you may not see an accurate score yet. For your next activity in this module, you will be prompted to actually download the Lockdown browser in order to take an assessment. If you're experiencing an issue with this, which you may if you have your own Chromebook or an older computer, please send an email to studenthelpdesk@ncpsk12.org so that we can resolve it before the school year even begins. In the email, explain the issue and tell us which browser and device you are using. Attach a screenshot of the problem if possible.